Dear students, welcome to today's class. I hope that all of you wrote the today's exam very well. I hope that you will get a good rank. Now today I am going to take some more problems from the chapter Algebra. All these problems are very important and a very important model. You see that in JEE mains examination, something small problems are also giving, which you can solve very easily you can solve. Okay, so let us see such type of problems majorly from the algebra. Okay, so let us start our class today. Dear students, welcome to first problem. Let Z be a complex number such that the imaginary part of Z is non-zero. The imaginary part of Z is non-zero and A is equal to Z square plus Z plus 1 is real. This complex number is real. Then A cannot take the values. Which of the values A cannot take? It cannot take the values. Okay now. So let us solve this problem. Solution. Let Z be a complex number. So generally we will take Z is equal to X plus Iy, where X is a real part and Y is the imaginary part. He says that the imaginary part is non-zero. The imaginary part is non-zero. That is Y is not 0. That means Y is not equal to 0. Okay now. And one more thing is given. What is that? A is equal to Z square plus Z plus 1. That is A is equal to Z square means X plus Iy whole square plus X plus Iy plus 1. That is A is equal to X square minus Y square plus 2xyi plus X plus Iy plus 1. Take all real parts one side and imaginary parts one side, that is try to write it in a general form. So this can be written as X square minus Y square. So plus X plus 1 plus X plus 1, and here A is there, that is a minus A plus this is a 2xy plus yi is equal to 0. Okay now. So that is 0 plus I0. He is saying that, so that is it is a real part and a imaginary part. So X square minus Y square plus X plus 1, this is plus minus A, and 2xy plus y times I is equal to 0. And moreover he is saying it is a real number. This number is a real number. This real number is a real number means what? The imaginary part should be equal to 0. What is the imaginary part? This is the imaginary part should be equal to 0. That means 2xy plus y should be equal to 0. So this is a real number. It's a real number. Therefore, the imaginary part should be equal to 0. So this is y times, this is a 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. The product of two factors is equal to 0, either y is equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Y cannot be equal to 0, already it is given. Okay, therefore 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay now. Now coming to here, if we substitute x is equal to minus 1 by 2 here, x is equal to minus 1 by 2 here, that means this part is also equal to 0. Why? Here we got 0 plus I0. So that is x square minus y square plus x plus 1 minus a is equal to 0. X square means 1 by 4 square minus y square minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus a is equal to 0. Okay now, right. So if you observe, this is a 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So if you multiply with 4, so you can, this is on the whole, so we will get a value is equal to minus y square plus 3 by 4. A value is equal to minus y square plus 3 by 4. Okay now. So this is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is, so that is equal to plus 3 by 4. So on the whole, a value is minus y square plus 3 by 4. So surely this value is always less than 3 by 4. Always less than whatever here. Why? Because we are taking minus y square plus 3 by 4. So you are subtracting 3 by 4. You are subtracting some y square, means it is a positive. Some negative number you are subtracting from 3 by 4. So this value, a value is less than 3 by 4. Therefore, a cannot take the value 3 by 4. Therefore, option D is the right answer. Okay, na? So, the very easy problem. The first thing is y not equal to 0. The second thing is here y not equal to 0. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Substitute here x value. So, you will get a value is minus y square plus 3 by 4. That will be less than 3 by 4. Therefore, a cannot take the value 3 by 4. Okay, na? So, therefore, I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. So, this was also asked in previous JEE mains examinations. So, the problem is, let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation x square minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. If an is equal to alpha power n minus beta power n for n greater than or equal to 1, then the value of a10 minus 2 a power 8 by 2 times a power 9. So, a10 means what? Alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. a8 means what? Alpha power 8 minus beta power 8. a9 means what? Alpha power n minus beta power n. So, that value you have to find out. So, let us see the solution. So, here it is given x square minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. It has two roots, alpha and beta. It is already given. So, when it is, since alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, we have alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 2 is equal to 0, same as beta square minus 6 beta minus 2 is equal to 0. See here, we want a10. a10 means alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. That means alpha power 10 first I want. So, this is equal to alpha square is equal to 6 alpha plus 2. Okay, now, right, I want alpha power 10. So, that is why multiply with alpha power 8 on throughout the equation. Multiply with alpha power 8. So, this is equal to alpha power 10 into 6 times alpha power 9 plus 2 times alpha power 8. So, what I did? I multiplied with alpha power 8. Why? So, here a10 means alpha power 10. I want alpha power 10. That is why I got alpha power 10. Right. Similarly, beta power 10 value is equal to how much? 6 times alpha beta power 9 plus 2 times beta power 8. Okay. Now, alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. First, I will find out alpha power 10. I will find out alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. See what happens. Alpha power 10 means beta power 10 means what? Subtraction. That means I can take 6 common outside. If I take 6 common outside, alpha power 9 minus beta power 9 plus, here I can take 2 common outside, 2 times alpha power 8 minus beta power 8. Okay. If it is alpha power n minus beta power n is there, you can write it as an. If alpha power n minus beta power n is there, an. That means alpha power 10 minus beta power 10 means a10 is equal to 6 times this is a9 plus 2 times this value is a8. See the answer, a10 minus 2 times a8. So, bring this to this side, a10 minus 2 a8 is equal to 6 times a9. 6 times a9. Okay, now we want 2 times a9. So, divide with 2 times a9. This is a10 minus 2 times a8 by 2 times a9 is equal to 3. So, a10 minus 2 times a8 is equal to 2 times minus upon 2 times a9 is equal to how much? 3. Therefore, option C is your right answer. So, such a logic problem this is. So, some general students what they will do no. So, first they will start A10 means alpha power 10 minus beta power 10 plus 2 times A8 means alpha power 8 minus beta 8 and taking common outside like this they will do. But if you proceed like this, I think that this is a very easiest method. Okay now. So, I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us move to next problem. So, dear students, welcome to third problem. If A1, A2, A3 so on are in harmonic progression with A1 is equal to 5 and A20 is equal to 25. That means the first term is 5 and the 20th term is 25. Okay now. Then the least positive integer n for which n is less than 0. That means the nth term should be less than 0. Nth term should be less than 0 for which integer n we have to find out. Okay now. So, here the first term is 5. In harmonic progression, the first term is 1 by a, that is equal to 5. This implies a is equal to 1 by 5. Okay now. 20th term is that is equal to 1 by a plus 19d is equal to 25. That is a plus 19d is equal to 1 by 25. Your a value is, this is 1 by 5 plus 19d is equal to 1 by 25. So, this implies 19d is equal to 1 by 25 minus 1 by 5. Okay now. So, on the whole d is equal to, so this is 1 minus 5, that is minus 4 by 25 times 19. So, just keep it like that. Okay now. Okay, you can multiply like right. Now, coming to nth term. So, this nth term should be less than 0. Nth term means what? 1 by a plus n minus 1 times d is less than 0. That means a plus n minus 1d also less than 0. Obviously, if an is less than negative, its reciprocal is also negative. So, a plus n minus 1d. So, you know a value, you know d value. Substitute here. So, what is our a value? That is 1 by 5 plus n minus 1 times d. D value is how much? Minus 4 by 25 times 19 less than 0. Okay. So, if you simplify this value in the total value, if you simplify this, you will get that means take the LCM of 5, 25, 19. So, if you simplify that, you will get n is greater than 99 by 4. N is greater than 99 by 4. That is n is greater than 24.75. Okay na? So, 99 by 4 value is equal to how much? 24.75. That what is a integer which is greater than 24.75? What are the integers? 25, 26, 27, all infinite integers you will get. Out of that, which is the least positive integer is 25. 25 is the least positive integer. Therefore, 25 is an answer. Okay, very easy problem. This is such type of problems are also giving in the JEE mains examination. Okay, now don't leave these type of problems. Okay, right. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move for next problem. Dear students, welcome to fourth problem. Let Tn be the number of all possible triangles formed by joining vertices of a n-sided regular polygon. So, what is here Tn? It is a number of all possible triangles formed by joining the vertices of a n-sided regular polygon. If T of n plus 1 minus T of n is equal to 10, then the value of n is. So, it was asked in 2000 mains examination. So, very easy problem this is, very easy solution. So, first of all, if you want to draw a triangle, how many points are required? 3 points are required. So, it is a regular n-sided polygon. So, there is a polygon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means to draw a triangle, you required 3 points. So, out of n sides, out of n vertices, n vertices, you want 3 vertices. 3 vertices, where already it is a regular polygon means no 3 points will be collinear. So therefore, the how many triangles will be you will get? NC3 triangles. So C means combinations. Okay, NC3 number of triangles you will get. So here, so therefore, so Tn is equal to how much? NC3. That many number of triangles you will get. So what about Tn plus 1? What about this ratio? So this is n plus 1 C3 minus NC3 is equal to 10. Okay. So if you observe, if you no need to solve all these things, just take the option verification. So let n is equal to 5 you take, let us check whether it is right or wrong. N 5 plus 1, 6 C3 minus 5 C3. Is it 10 or not? So 6 C3 value is 20 minus 5 C3 value is 10. Altogether we are getting 10. So therefore, n is equal to 5 is your answer. Such a very easy solution. So you are getting in the JEE mains examination. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to fifth problem. The number of terms in the expansion of 1 minus 2 upon x plus 4 upon x square whole power n, where x not equal to 0 is 28. Then the sum of the coefficients of all the terms in this expansion is. Okay. If you know the n value, the problem is very easy. So how to find out this n value? First of all, this 1 minus 2 by x plus 4 upon x square is a trinomial. So we have number of terms, we have one formula, number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c whole power n. Number of terms in this expansion is, formula is n plus 1 times n plus 2 upon 2. N plus 1 times n plus 2 upon 2. So the number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c whole power n is n plus 1 times n plus 2 upon 2. So here it is given that n plus 1, n plus 2 upon 2 is equal to 28. This implies n plus 1 times n plus 2 is equal to 56. So if you observe, these two are consecutive numbers. Actually you have to solve it. You will get a quadratic equation. You will get a quadratic equation. You have to solve n. No need. So if you observe, these two are consecutive numbers. The product of two consecutive numbers is 56. If you observe clearly, this is 7 and it is 8. 7 8s are 56. Okay, now that means n plus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, n is equal to 6. Okay, n is equal to 6. So put here n is equal to 6. 1 minus 2 by x plus 4 by x square whole power 6. So this is your trinomial. Okay, now that is your trinomial expansion. So you have to find out the sum of all the coefficients, means you have to expansion. No need of expansion. So put x is equal to 1. So wherever x is equal to 1, substitute. You know the short trick here. So what is that? 1 minus 2 plus 4 whole power 6. So this is 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 2 3. So 3 power 6 value is 729. Okay, now. So this is equal to 3 power 6 is equal to 729 is the correct answer. So very easy problem. The only thing you have to know is this formula. The number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c whole power n is equal to n plus 1 times n plus 2 upon 2. If you know this formula, the problem is very easy. Okay, now. So let us go to next problem. So dear students, welcome to sixth problem. The sixth problem is from the chapter probability. The question is, if two different numbers are taken from the set 0, 1, 2, 3, so on 10, then the probability their sum as well as absolute difference. Their sum absolute as well as absolute difference are both multiples of 4 each. That means Here the set contains 11 elements, 11 numbers. You have to select two numbers from that set such that the sum of the numbers and absolute difference, the difference of the numbers should be both conditions should satisfy. Multiples of 4 is. So first of all, what is the set here? What is the set here? S is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, 10. Okay. Yes. So the set contains 11 elements. So what are the total number of cases? Total number of cases means from this you have to select two numbers, 11C2. Okay now, so 11C2. First thing is 11C2. That is 11 into 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are 55. So altogether you can select two numbers from this set containing 11 elements in how many ways? 55 ways you can take. That means 55 pair of numbers you will get. Okay now? Right. From these selected two numbers, there is sum and difference. Let the two numbers be. Let the numbers be x comma y. That means their sum should be multiple of 4. That means 4 into 4, 8, 16, 20, 24 like that. That means multiple of 4. And their difference is also multiple of 4. Their sum and their difference. Let us see that, let us add these two. This is a 2x is equal to 4 times m plus n. This is equal to x is equal to 2 times m plus n. At the same time, if you subtract it, so this is x minus plus minus. If you subtract it, so this is equal to 2y is equal to 4 times m minus n. So y is equal to 2 times m minus 1. From this, what can you say? From these two things, what you can say? So x 2 times m plus n, y is equal to 2 times m plus. That means both x and y are even numbers. That is the first thing you want to observe. That means if you take odd numbers, that is 1, 3, you cannot get the absolute difference. That means, for example, if you take 1, 3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, but the difference is not the multiple of 4. That means the sum as well as difference should be multiple of 4, means both numbers should be even numbers only. So let us take how many possibilities you will get. So let us see this. So I will write it a table like this. So this is x value and it is y value. So first we are saying that even numbers. So how many even numbers are there here? In this you can take 0 is an even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That is how many possibilities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities are. So according to that, y values are also you will get. So y value here you will get 4, 8. Why? How? 0, 4. 0 plus 4, 4 multiple of 4. That means absolute difference. What is the difference of this 0, 4? 4. 4 is the multiple of 4. Now 0, 8. 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 is the multiple of 4. Difference, 0, 8 difference. How much? 8. 8 is also multiple of 4. So if you observe, if you go on take, so here 6, 10, 2, 6, 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 is a multiple of 4. Difference, 2, 6 difference, 4. 4 is a multiple of 4, like that. 2, 10, 12. 12 is a multiple of 4. Difference, 2, 10 difference. How much? 8. 8 is a multiple of 4. So like that, for 4 you will get, for 6 you will get, for 8 also, for 10 also, you can get the numbers, all possible numbers. So there also, from y also you will get even numbers. Therefore, so favorable cases. Favorable cases are how many? 6 cases are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases. Understand? So therefore, what is the probability? Probability is equal to favorable cases by total number of cases. So 6 by 55 is your right answer. Okay now. So very easy. The only thing is this everybody can do 55. So after that, selecting two numbers, their sum and their difference are multiples of 4. So therefore, deciding x and y are both are even numbers. If you decide that x and y are even numbers, clearly how many even numbers will be there in this set? There will be 6 even numbers will be there. So for every even number x, you can find out y number, number y such that their sum and difference are multiples of 4. Okay, na? So here you will get 6 possible cases. So your probability is number of favorable cases by total number of cases. So this question is asked in 2017's main examination. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to 7th problem. If A is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 4, 1, then adjoint of 3a square plus 12a is a very easy problem. So it was asked in 2017 mains examination. So we know that if a matrix A is there, for example, if A is a 2 by A, B, C, D, it is a 2 by 2 square matrix. What is the adjoint of A? Just you interchange the principal diagonals DA. Now you change the sign of the second diagonal. That's all. It is adjoint. First to find out 3a square plus 12a. Okay. So that means what? A square means what? A into A, that is 2 minus 3 minus 4, 1. That implies 2 minus 3 minus 4, 1. So if you multiply this, so this is equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 12 minus 6 minus 3 minus 8 minus 4, 12 plus 1. So that is equal to 16 minus 9 minus 12, 30. You are getting. Okay now? Right. So very easy one. So next one, on the whole, 3a square means, so this is a 48 minus 27 minus 36, 39. Okay now? So this is equal to, on the whole, 3a square plus 12a. So this is given by, you will get this like this. If you find out, so this is a 72 minus 63 minus 84, 51 you will get. Okay, you calculate this. 12a means what? 12a means multiply each number, each element with 12. So this is equal to 24. This is equal to minus 36, this is equal to minus 48, and this is equal to 12. Right? So 3a square plus 12a means, so see here 48 plus 24, 72, minus 27 minus 36, minus 63, minus 36 minus 48, minus 84, 39 plus 12, 51. Very easy one. Now therefore, what is the adjoint of this 3a square plus 12a? So what I told, just interchange the principal diagonal elements, that is 51, 72. Change the sign, 63, 84. That's all. So therefore, option B is the correct answer. Very easy. Why I am explaining this type of problems also means, so you don't think that in JEE mains examination all 30 questions are difficult. All 30 questions are difficult. Don't think like that. Such a type of easy problems are also given. So to make you understand, I am explaining these problems. Okay now? So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to 8th problem. So the problem is from the chapter functions. The function f from R to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, closure bracket, minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, defined as f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x square is. What is it is? Is it invertible? Invertible means both 1 function onto function. Injection but not surjection. Injection means you know 1 function, surjection means onto function. Injection, it is 1 function but not onto function. C, surjection but not injection. That means it is onto function but not 1 function. D, neither injection nor surjection. Okay, on the whole, let us check the injection and surjection. So here the given function is f of x is equal to x by 1 plus x square. First find out f of 2 value, 2 by 1 plus 4. This is equal to 2 by 5. Okay now. Substitute f of 1 by 2 is also, which is 1 by 2 upon 1 plus 1 by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 2 upon this is equal to 5 by 4. So this is 2 1s are 2 2s are. This is a 2 by 5. So from this what you say? What can you say? From this what can you say? The element 2 has the image 2 upon 5 and the element 1 by 2 is also have the image 2 upon 5. That means both elements, that is 2, 1 by 2 has the image, same image 2 by 5, 2 by 5. That means it is not 1 1 function. It is not 1 1 function. Clearly it is not 1 by 1 1 function. So that means it is invertible also failed. Invertible. Why? Because since it is not a 1 1 function, it cannot be invertible. Okay. So it is a injection but not surjection. He is saying injection. So it is not injection. It is not injection. It is a many to one function. So let us check. Whether it is a surjection also or not. So for checking surjection, so let us take a proceed like this. We know that let y is equal to x upon 1 plus x square, y plus yx square minus x is equal to 0. So on the whole it is a quadratic equation. So what is the quadratic equation? Here we have yx square minus x plus y is equal to 0. So here the domain is set of real numbers. Domain is set of real numbers. It will have real roots. Real roots means what? Delta greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now what is delta means? B square minus 4ac. B square means 1 minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. That means 4y square minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Therefore, this is a y square minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to 0. This is 1 plus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 0. So, y belongs to closure bracket 1 by 2 comma closure bracket minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So, this is what? Range. What is your? It is range. Here what is the codomain? This is codomain. So, from this what you can say? Codomain is equal to range. Codomain is a domain and it is a codomain. Codomain is how much? Minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 closure bracket. What is the range? Minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So, since codomain is equal to range, so this is a surjection. Surjection. So, from this what can you say? The function is a surjection but not injection. So, this is a option C is the correct answer. So, very easy problem. So, it was asked in 2017 mains examination. Okay. I hope that you can understand this solution. Dear students, welcome to 9th problem of this today's class. It is a problem from matrices chapter and was asked in 2016. A is equal to matrix 5A minus B 3 2 and it is given A times adjoint of A is equal to A times A transpose, then the value of 5A plus B is equal to. Okay, now. So, it is given that A times adjoint of A is equal to A times A transpose. Don't think that you can cancel AA. Don't think you can cancel AA. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to A transpose. Why? Because the cancellation loss does not holds in matrices. Okay. So, don't cancel that. So, first we will find out left hand side and the right hand side we will equal, we will get A value, B value. Okay, na? So, let us start the problem here. So, here it is given A times adjoint of A. We have one property, this is det A times I. Of course, I is a 2 by 2 matrix. What is the determinant of A? So, this is equal to 10A plus 3B times 1 0 0 1. So, this is equal to 10A plus 3B 0 10 0, this is a 0, this is 10A plus 3B. So, got. So, this is equal to LHS. Sir, if I didn't get this idea, sir, so A times adjoint of A is equal to det A into I. So, you can find out A is 5A minus B 3 2. What is this adjoint of A? Just to interchange this 2 5A here B minus 3. You multiply this, you both multiply, you will get the same answer. Okay, now coming to the right hand side. What is right hand side? A times A transpose. What is A? 5A minus B 3 2 times transpose. Transpose means 5A minus B 3 2. Okay now. So you multiply this, what you will get? So 5A, so this is equal to 25A square plus B square. So this is equal to 15A minus 2B. So this is equal to 10A minus 2B. So this is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 4. That's 9 plus 4. So whatever may be that. So if you both this left hand side is equal to right hand side. So you equal these elements, this will be very easy. So this is 1, this is 1. So that is equal to 15A minus 2B is equal to 0. And you multiply this element. So this is equal to 10A minus 2B is equal to 0. 10A minus 2B is equal to 0. Okay. So 3 5s are 15A. This is equal to, so you just multiply, this is a 25A square plus B. So this is 15A. So 3 5s are, so this is a 15A. 15A minus 2B is also equal to 0. So one more number you add these two. So this is equal to 10A plus 3B is equal to 30. Okay now. So you call it as, this is a first equation and you call it as second equation. So 15A minus 2B is equal to 0, 10A plus 3B is equal to 13. So upon solving these two equations, you will get A value is equal to 2 by 5 and B value is equal to 3. B value is equal to 3. So solve these two equations, you will get easily. Okay, now he is asking 5A plus B. 5A plus B. So 5A means how much? 2. 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Option B is a right answer. So such a easy problem, it was asked in 2016. So try to solve this type of problems also. Okay. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to 10th problem. The problem is the number of real solutions of the equation mod x whole square minus 3 times mod x plus 2 is equal to 0. So everybody think that this is a quadratic equation, therefore it will have two solutions. No, it is not a quadratic equation, but it is a quadratic equation in the variable mod x. Okay na? So think like that. So first very easy thing is just you factorize this. You factorize this, what you will get? You will factorize this. So this is equal to mod x minus 1 times mod x minus 2 is equal to 0. So factors are just like treat mod x as a x. You can easily build it. So either mod x minus 1 is equal to 0 or mod x minus 2 is equal to 0. Mod x is equal to 1 or mod x is equal to 2. So x is equal to plus or minus 1 or x is equal to plus or minus 2. X is equal to plus or minus 1 or x. So how many real solutions? All are real numbers. Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, all are real numbers. Total how many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. Therefore, this equation will have 4 real solutions. Okay na? So such type of easy problems are also giving in the previous year's JEE mains examination. So you also prepare this type of problems. Okay na? So I hope that today you wrote examination very well, and tomorrow also I will explain this type of problems. Okay na? So all the best.